Hello, thank you for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on the CQ3 battery charger. I obtained this charger because I know that it works. I already use one right now to refurbish hybrid packs. And I got this one to make the time cut in half. So instead of using only 4 channels, I'll be using 8 channels. If you've watched my video on refurbishing hybrid packs, you'll see that I use a charger that looks very similar to this. It's actually right here. And although it's a different color and a different name, it is made by the same company. This one says EV Peak CQ3, and this one says BGUAD, also CQ3. Check out the boxes. The only thing different is the color and the name in the corner. This one's from 2015, and this one's from 2021. Flap in the front. We'll lift it up. On top, we have an instruction manual in English. Copyright 2015, which is the same as what was there before. This thing says nothing about the BGUAD name. It only says the EV Peak. So this is going to be the same charger that we got from before. The same manual that we got from before. Oh man, that's a nice bag. It's packaged in a nice blow-up bag with tubes that are full of air to protect it. That's a lot better than the last unit came in. The last one came packaged in a simple plastic wrap with styrofoam on each end. So this is a good improvement for the packaging from that company. I'll definitely give that a thumbs up. I'm definitely going to store it in that when I'm not in use. That's nice. Whoa. Well, it looks just like the other unit. Instead of a silver finish, it's got a red anodized looking finish. We have on the side here banana ports, channels 2 and 4, balancing board ports, temperature ports, cooling fans, and our DC power input for mobile powering. On this side we have our other 2 channels for a total of 4, and we have a switch here. You can choose between the AC input of 110 volts or 220 volts, and this is the on and off switch. It runs off of a standard 3-prong plug like you'd find in a computer. Each one of the screens has a little protective film on it. I leave those on there for as long as I can, try to keep it looking new. Let's check out the inside of this box and see what's in here. Everything you need to do drone battery charging right out of the box. Now, because I do hybrid packs, what I do is I buy these sets here of banana plugs that also have alligator clips on the other end. So with these, I'm able to plug right into my ports. And then I can use these clips to connect right to my individual cells. There you have it. The unboxing video of this CQ3 charger from the EV Peak Technology Corporation. Packaged very well. The unit works very well. I know that because I've used it on many battery packs. I've done a lot of refurbishing with them. If you want to do a refurbishing to your hybrid cell, you can definitely trust getting one of these chargers. You can follow along with my refurbishing video, use the settings that I use, and refurbish your own pack and get a lot of miles out of it. If you enjoyed the video, found it entertaining, or found it educational, please click the thumbs up button and give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help me out. It'll help the channel grow. Until next time, GreggFesto out.